Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today is the first lesson in a unit I'm calling personal information. Let's go ahead and look at this lesson objective. The objective says, I know common vocabulary words about personal information. Let's go over 10 vocabulary words about personal information. It's a great idea to repeat each of these words after me. The first word is first name. You say it. The second word is middle name. The next word is last name. Now we have the word area code. Phone number. Address. City. State. Zip code. Country. Now that we've looked at how to pronounce these vocabulary words, let's talk a little bit about what these words are. On your screen, you're going to see a name tag, some phone information, and some address information. I want you to see if you can figure out what vocabulary word goes with what word. Go ahead and look on your screen and try to figure out which of these matches the vocabulary word. Go ahead and pause the video, see if you can do it, and then hit play and I'll give you the correct answers. Let's go ahead and look at the name tag. The name Mary is her first name. Jane is her middle name. Smith is her last name. When we see this phone number, you should have guessed that 360 is her area code. 403-0967 is her phone number. Now let's look at the information about her house. 1724 Port Street is her address. Everett is the city. Washington, or WA, is the state. 98256 is the zip code, and United States is the country. So now we're going to try a listening activity with our vocabulary words. This time, I'm going to give you a name or a number, and you are going to guess which vocabulary word it is. I'd like you to number a piece of paper 1 to 10. When you hear the number or the name, you will write down what vocabulary word it is. Let's do the first one together. The example for number 1 would be, I will say, what is 360? And you would write area code. So the answer to number 1 is area code. Now let's listen For the next vocabulary word, you write down what vocabulary word you think it is. Number 2 is 1724 Port Street. What is that? Number 3, Mary. What will you write for number 3? Number 4 is 98256. What is that? Number 5, United States. What is that? Number 6, Jane. What is that? Number 7, 403 0967. What is that? Number 8, Everett. What is that? Number 9, Smith. What is that? And number 10, Washington. What vocabulary word is that? Now what you can do after you think you have all 10 vocabulary words in the correct place, take a look at your screen and check your answers. So, how'd you do? I bet you did great. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's objective and see how we did. Today's lesson objective says, I know common vocabulary words to talk about personal information. You think you got that? I think you do. So now that we've gone over today's objectives, I've got 4 more things I'd like you to do for me. The first is to like this video. Second, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have friends and family, the third thing you could do is to share this video with other people who may want to learn English for free. And the last part, it's kind of like homework. Remember to write in the comments section. But for now, the lesson is over. I'm so glad you've joined me today in Kim's class. Thank you for allowing me to come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. See you soon.